Rahul Gandhi has constantly targeted the government, whether it's going abroad and defaming India or then talking about a complete surrender. What surrender is he talking about? Our government is very clear that India's core data, whether it's the food sector, the farmers, the energy interests, have all been maintained in this trade deal. Make in India has been seen to cover the entire globe, where we will be selling our products to the international world community and importing only what is necessary for our sovereignty. So please comprehend that, Rahul Gandhi, before you opine. Silent. राहुल गांधी का एक ही लक्ष्य है, भारत में असम्मानित बयान प्रधानमंत्री के लिए और विदेश जाके देश के लिए असम्मानित बयान। क्या कंप्लीट सरेंडर की वो बात कर रहे हैं? ये लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन ये भी नहीं जानते हैं कि जब भारत के जो कोर सेक्टर्स है, डेटा हो, कृषि क्षेत्र हो, फूड हो, एनर्जी सप्लाई, ये ट्रेड डील में हमको सशक्त किया है। हमारे एक्सपोर्ट्स बढ़ेंगे विश्व भर में, इंपोर्ट जहां हमें आवश्यकता है हमारे सोवरेनिटी के मुताबिक। तो पहले तो आप समझ लीजिए और फिर बात कीजिए कि यू आर लेवरेजिंग द कंट्री। मिस्टर राहुल गांधी, पढ़ लीजिए थोड़ा तो आपको पता चलेगा कि भारत और यूएस का ट्रेड डील है क्या।
MP Nishikant Dubey submit notice to move motion against Rahul Gandhi to cancel his membership. What did you say on this?
Nishikant Dubey, as a member of parliament, is well within his jurisdiction to suggest that he wants to cancel the membership of Rahul Gandhi ji. And this is a substantive motion, which is a constitutional provision. He is independent, he is self-contained, and his proposal has come up for submission, and it is for the legislative house to decide whether they want to go ahead or not. But he is entitled to draft his expression, and his decision or opinion can be his own.